everyone, welcome to my channel All in Estate, and today I'm here in Govandi showcasing a 1 BHK apartment to you. This is about 608 carpet. This apartment has got balconies all over. So this is your living area. This is your living and it is attached to a huge size deck, as you can see. What you oversee from here is the Eastern Freeway. This Eastern Freeway leads you to South Bombay in about 15 minutes. There is no obstruction in front of you. Absolute open views you get from here. This also is running towards your kitchen balcony and the master bedroom balcony. So this balcony you get in a 1 BHK right on the Eastern Freeway with no obstruction, absolutely. Now let me show you the apartment. So the apartment is a 1 BHK 608 carpet. Moving ahead, this is the passage area. You've got a common washroom this side. You can see the tiling is done all throughout, almost touching the ceiling. This is the kitchen area. You've got parallel platforms here. Kitchen area, then you have a dry area. You can keep your washing machine outside. You can keep your refrigerator here. The tiling is done right to the roof. And let me show you the master bedroom now. So this is the master bedroom with an attached washroom. This is your bedroom area. You can easily have your wardrobe that side and the bed this side. You have a beautiful balcony attached to your bedroom. Plus you get to see the Eastern Freeway totally from here. And another thing is that, in case if you want to reach out to anywhere in Bombay, it's very much easily accessible for you to go anywhere from here in about 15-20 minutes maximum. This apartment is west facing, so you get a lot of sunlight coming from this side during the evening hours, during afternoon hours. The entire apartment is west facing. The door entries, when you enter into the apartment, you are entering into the west, and when you exit, you are entering into the east. So the Vastu wise also, this apartment is really good. And in case if you are looking at investment here, I'm sure you will be able to draw multiple fold of returns, of course. And the best part is the easily accessible locality around. That's the best part of the USP of the project. Thank you very much for watching this video. In case if you're interested in this apartment and investing over here in this location, you can get in touch with me on the number given at the end of the screen. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't. Thank you very much for watching my video.